guys, so today we are touring a house in Cary, North Carolina. And like always, I have the front door right behind me. Alright, so when you first walk in, you have your formal living room. As you can see, the front door right there. And across from the formal is your dining room. That's a pretty big space. Hardwood floors. And we're going to walk over to the dining room. And you walk through this cute little butler's pantry area. Which drops you into your family room with fireplace, built-ins, chair molding, and then it takes you into this pretty large kitchen. Looks like it has Corian countertops and a solid surface. So you could totally update this, put in some quartz or granite. It has a nice amount of cabinets and a large island with a pretty large sink in the island, considering you have a full-size sink over here looking into the living room. It's got tile floor here in the kitchen. And then you do have your laundry room right off of the kitchen. It's very... Oh, in your garage. Okay. It might be dark, but it is a 2-car garage. But you do have enough space to make it a mudroom. Little mudroom storage area right here. You got a sink. And space for the washer and dryer. And then I think this is your pantry. A little bit small, but it's not bad. But you got a lot of counter space and a lot of space in this kitchen. And there's your breakfast room. And this house is listed at around $450,000 and 3,600 square feet. So you could do some updates in here and you could actually sell this for a little bit more. So that's probably why they have it listed a little bit lower. All right, oops. And you do have a back staircase right off the kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna finish showing you the downstairs. So that was your front door. And then if you just come down this hallway, you have a closet and a half bath. It's a very spacious half bath. And then you have like an office. It's got a lot of built-ins. And it even has its own fireplace too. So you could kind of use this as a guest suite and possibly put in a shower into that half bath. And it does have nice French doors. All right. So we are going to head up the front staircase. stairs are carpeted. Wow, it's warm up here. All right, so I'm at the top of the stairs. All right, so if you go to your right, you'll come into this bedroom, and it's very bright in here. All right, so that's a shutter that's falling off from the outside. And then you have your closet, standard closet. But you do have some high ceilings in this room. And it does have a Jack and Jill bath. It's small, but it leads into the bonus room. So it shares the bathroom with the bonus room. So that's pretty cool. And there's that back staircase. This carpet's in good shape here too. Let's see what's behind this door, and it looks like you've got a little bit of unfinished attic space. That's pretty cool. Little hideaway. Alright, so we're going to come out of this bonus room. And again, there's the stairs. So we're going to turn right again. And this is just another bedroom. A little bit dark in here. Lots of trees outside, and it's only got one window. It does have a closet. It's a little bit of a walk-in closet. Sorry, it's dark. And then it also has a Jack and Jill bath. It's a little bigger than the other one, which is understandable since they are Jack and Jill's 2 bedrooms. Alright, so here's another bedroom. And another standard closet, but you can walk in. Alright, so we'll go head out, and there's the top of the stairs again. We're going to go down the hallway. And this will be the master. Isn't that nice tray ceiling? Pretty sure. It's like, I'd say the perfect size master. Is not too big, it's not too small. And then we're going to head into the master bath, which is rather large. It's very spacious in here. And there's like mirrors everywhere. So you have your standard potty room. Good size shower, tub. And then here's her vanities. And this is really cute. Wait. Okay. For a second I thought it doesn't open. But yeah, lots of storage space. It's almost like these are childproof. So. And then we have a closet on this side. And then you also have the closet on this side. So 2 good sized closets. Because there's, it could use a little updating in here. You got that classic brassy gold shower. But otherwise, it's a very good space. Alright guys, so we are going to head outside to check out the backyard. large deck. And I don't know if I said before, but I think this house has 1/3 of an acre. So I'm not sure exactly where the property line ends and where the neighbors begin. So it's not the best lot. But you should be able to kick a ball around, put a play set out here, trampoline. It is, this house doesn't have a basement, but it is a very tall crawl space. So they totally could have built it with a basement. So you may be able to do something with the crawl space to have more living space under there one day. Okay. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour in Cary, North Carolina, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!